Hi everyone, today we'll make Sunshine Glow Smoothie where lemon and ginger are the stars of the show. It's a great autumn smoothie to give you a boost of vitamin C during the colder months of the year. Let's get started. You'll need 2 bananas. Use frozen if you like thicker consistency of the smoothie. Some lemon zest, and don't be shy, the point of the smoothie is to get those notes of lemon, and lemon zest will definitely do the job. Then squeeze half of a lemon or the whole lemon if you feel like you need that extra kick if you don't feel particularly well. Pour it right in together with the lemon zest. Then add quite a few chunks of peeled ginger to get that autumn vibes at the same time as all the goodness. For balancing the flavors, you also want to add some vanilla paste or vanilla beans if you have them, and 2 teaspoons of honey. Afterwards, pour 1 cup of milk, either dairy or plant-based, depending on your preference. Then add a tablespoon of green yogurt or a handful of cashew nuts if you prefer the vegan option. And it's time to blend! You'll most likely get 1 bigger glass or 2 smaller glasses of sunshine that will make you smile in the morning despite the rain. And that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any Mugelicious videos. Have a terrific day and see you next Thursday.